Hello students, welcome to the multiple choice question series for the subject Security in Computing. This is part 2 of 4 video series covering about 30 questions in each part. If you have not watched part 1, then the link is in the description box below. You can go there and watch the part 1. What you have to do is read the questions and its multiple choice answers. Pause the video and write down your answer on a paper. Once you write down your answer, you can play the video to see the correct answer. This way, you can grade yourself at the end of the video on how many questions you were able to answer correctly. Let's begin. The first question is, Secure Socket Layer SSL is a certificate-based system that is used to provide authentication of secure web servers and clients and to share encryption keys between servers and clients. Read the answers, pause the video, mark your answers on the paper, and then you can resume the video to see the right answer. So the answer for this question is true. Next question. A packet filter firewall filters at the dash layer. Answer is application. Next question. A dash algorithm simply replaces each character in a message with another character. The answer is substitution. Next question. CIA trade focuses on three aspects of information protection. The answer is confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Next question. Attack attempts to modify the system resources or affect their operations is called. The answer is active attack. Next question. In Dash cryptography, the same secret key is used by the sender and the receiver. The answer is symmetric key cryptography. Next question. A Dash issues, catalogs, renews, and revokes certificates under the management of a policy and administrative control. The answer is certification authority. Next question. Username and password is dash type of authentication. The answer is SFA, which stands for single factor authentication. Next question. Dash is concerned with protecting information in all its forms, whether written, spoken, electronic, graphical, or using other methods of communication. The answer is information security. Next question. Denial of service attack is breach to. The answer is availability. Next question. Use of OTP is dash type of authentication. The answer is MFA, which stands for multi-factor authentication. Next question. With one predefined command, the attacker can cause all the zombies to begin attack another remote system with a distributed denial of service, that is DDoS attack. The answer is true. Next, if the virus executes, does it damages and terminates until the next time it's executed? It is known as a dash. Answer is non-resident virus. Please take a moment and subscribe to this channel. Also share it with your friends and other students. This will motivate us to bring more such videos and technical contents in the near future. Thank you. Moving on, in which approach references a baseline pattern of normal system activity to identify active intrusion? The answer is anomaly detection. Next, which of the below defines the packet filtering firewall rules? The answer is access control list. Next, while entering or leaving the internal network, Firewalls examine which of the following? Answer is data packets. Next, switches and firewall come under the category of dash assets. The answer is security equipment. Next, dash risk affect both the validity of information and the assurance that the information is correct. The answer is integrity. Next, one way to control your wireless signal spread is correct. Answer is antenna positioning. Next, dash is the risk of loss of information such as confidential data or intellectual property through intentional or unintentional means. Answer is data leakage. Next, the process of making the encrypted text readable again is called decryption. Next, scrambling the data according to a secret key is known as answer is encryption. Next, dash attempt to guess a password by trying all the character combinations listed in an accompanying dictionary. The answer is brute force tools. Next, the most commonly used method of controlling data access is the answer is views. Next, encryption in databases can be done. Answer is by sorting encrypted data in the database. Next, which is the best practice in the firewall domain environment? Answer is to create demilitarized zones. Next, adopting encryption techniques improves. Answer is security. Next, dash is a famous technological medium for the spread of malware. Answer is email. Next, the attack surface of the operating system is reduced by. Answer is disabling unneeded services. Next, SSL stands for. The answer is secured socket layer. So this was the end of part 2. The next video on part 3 will be released soon. Yeah.